In the name of Allah, hello my dear students in our distance learning by Mr. Mus'ad Sabir and the English supervisor Mr. Ahmed Shirbini. Al-House Private School for Boys. Our lesson today is for Traveler 2, lesson 13, page 26, exercises. Now let's go to your notes on this page. Please, my dear students, open your notes on page 26 and follow me. Okay. Exercise. Exercise A. Complete the sentences using the verbs in the box and the reflexive pronouns. As you see in the box, there are some verbs. He wants you to use them and the reflexive pronouns after them. Like you see, enjoyed, cut, made, look at. Number 1. Anne felt ill, so she spaces some tea. And she felt ill, so she enjoyed some tea, cut some tea, made some tea, look at some tea. What is the right word for this sentence? And put after it the right reflexive pronoun. Good. The right word here is made, and we put the reflexive pronoun herself. But why we use herself? Because it relates to the subject pronoun Anne, and she is a girl. Okay. Number 2, be careful, you'll space with that knife. What is the right answer here? Very good. The right answer here is the verb cut and the reflexive pronoun yourself. Why yourself? Because I told you before, the subject pronoun here is you, so the reflexive pronoun must be yourself. Number 3, did you space in the mirror today? What is the right answer and the right reflexive pronoun? Yes, the right answer is look at, and the right reflexive pronoun is yourself. So the sentence must be like this: did you look at yourself in the mirror today? Okay, let's move to number 4. We space at the restaurant yesterday. What is the right word and the right reflexive pronoun here? Yes, the right verb is enjoy, but we must put enjoy in the past because the sentence is in the past. And the right reflexive pronoun here is our selves. Why we use ourselves? Because the subject pronoun here is we, and it's plural pronoun, so it must be like this, ourselves. Okay, now let's move to another exercise. Circle the correct words. I told you before, we use the pronoun one instead of a singular noun when we don't want to repeat it, and we use once instead of plural nouns when we don't want to repeat it too. Now let's look at the exercise. Exercise A. Look at those trousers. Which one or ones? Here he says those trousers. So this is singular or plural pronoun? Yes, it's a plural. So the right word or the right pronoun is once. Okay. Another example, the brown one or ones over there. In this sentence too, he is speaking about the same noun or plural noun, trousers. So we can say the brown one or the brown ones over there. Yes, the right answer is ones too, because it relates to the same plural pronoun. B. Oh, yes, they are lovely, and you can wear them with a nice shirt for your job interview. A. Yeah, with my white one or ones. Yes, the right answer here is the pronoun one. Letter B, the new one or ones, right. Yes, the right answer here is 1, 2, because here and here in the two sentences, number 3 or number 4, they are relating to the singular pronoun, singular noun, shirt. So when we want to refer to a singular noun, we use one, not once, as I told you before. He answers, yes, how much are they? B. $300 sir or riyal. Okay, now with the last exercise, he says read the table below and tick what is true about you. This table, my dear students, you must complete about yourselves. Like you see in the first question, do you have a university degree? If you have a university degree, you put right here under yes, and if you don't have a university degree, you put right or a tick under no. Okay. The other question, do you have previous work experience? As I told you, if you have previous work experience, put a tick under yes, and if you don't have, put a tick here under no. Another question, are you fluent in more than one language? If you can speak more than one language, put a tick here under yes, and if you don't, put a tick here under no. Another question, are you computer literate? If you are, put a tick here under yes, and if you aren't, put a tick here under no. And do you have good people skills? If you have good people skills, put a tick here under yes, and if you know or you don't, put a tick here under no. Can you work overtime? If you can, put a tick here under yes, and if you can't, put a tick here under no. Okay, my dear students, this is our lesson for today. In the end, I'd like to thank you for your follow. I hope you answered all the questions about reflexive pronouns and know how to use one or ones in sentences. Thank you, and follow me in the next video about lesson 14, page 27. Goodbye.